Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the This Group Budget Planner in Google Sheets for tracking shared money. Couples, roommates, families, or friends, it works for any group. Let's walk through it tab by tab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set it up. If this is your first time using the planner, I recommend reading the user guide first. It explains every feature in detail. Start on the setup sheet. First, enter your group name at the top. This could be our trip, flat fund, or lovebirds, anything that fits. Next to it, set your start date. This gives the sheet a reference point for your group's timeline. Now scroll down to the members table. Type in each person's name up to 6 members. Next to each name, enter their start balance. That's whatever money they're starting with. Watch the overall starting balance at the bottom. It adds these up for you. You don't touch that cell directly. It's a live formula. Now let's talk about currency. This template works with any local currency. Go to File, then Settings, then General. Choose your country from the locale drop-down. Your currency symbol and date format update automatically. Last part of setup is the split rules table. A split rule decides how an expense gets divided. Type a rule name like equal or family or household. Next to it, enter each member's percentage share. Watch the total percent column as you type. It needs to add up to 100, that's the whole point. If it doesn't, you'll see a red highlight. Once it's correct, it turns green and the rule is ready to use. That's your entire group fully configured. Now open the budget sheet. This is where you set spending limits by category. You'll see 3 tables: expense budget, bills budget, and debt budget. Before we fill anything in, let's customize the drop-down lists. Click any drop-down cell like category or budget period, days. At the bottom of the list, click the small pencil icon, that's the edit icon. This opens the data validation panel on the right. From here, remove any item you don't need, or type a new one into the empty field. Click Done to save your changes. Use this same method anywhere you see a drop-down. Expense categories, bills, and debt categories on the budget sheet. Income sources on the income sheet. A couple of drop-downs work a little differently. Member name and split rule are 2 of them. These pull directly from your setup sheet, not a fixed list. To change the options here, go back to Setup. Add or edit a member in the members table, or add a new row in the split rules table. The drop-down updates on its own everywhere it's used. Once you've customized these, your planner is ready for your own information. Next, set the budget period in days. Groceries might repeat every 7 days. Rent usually repeats every 30. Now enter your budget amount for that category. What happens next, you don't need to calculate anything. The daily budget is worked out automatically behind the scenes. It simply divides your budget by the number of days. This setup works for any date range later on, a week, a month, even a full year. The dashboard will handle the math when you get there. Last, choose a split rule for that category. This decides how that budget gets shared among members. Repeat the same steps for bills and again for debts. Add as many rows as you need, the formulas extend with you. Next, open the income sheet. This is where every dollar coming in gets logged. Start with the received date, then choose a source, salary, business, paycheck, whatever fits. Enter the amount next. Now assign it to a member from the drop-down. Every income entry belongs to exactly one person. That's what keeps your individual tracking accurate. Add a quick note if you want extra context. You don't need to update anything else. The moment you save this row, your dashboards update on their own. Balances, charts, summaries, all of it happens automatically. Now for the expenses sheet, this is where it all comes together. Start with the date and the category. Enter the amount you spent. Choose your payment method, cash or credit card. Now the important part, choosing the payer. You have 2 options here. Option 1, select all. This means everyone pays their own share of this expense. Option 2, select one member's name instead. This means that person paid the full amount up front. It will then be split among the group automatically. Next, choose a split rule for this expense. Pick equal for a simple even split, or choose any custom rule you built back in setup. That's it, your entry is complete. You don't calculate anyone's portion, the sheet. Next, open the savings sheet. This is where you log any savings you make. Start with the date and the amount saved. There's no goal setup required, you can log any amount anytime. Now choose the payer, that's who saved this amount. Pick any member or choose all if it was a group saving. Next, choose a split rule. Savings are shared between members using the rule you pick. Equal, family, household, only one member, or any custom rule. Add a quick note if you'd like, a reason, or the type of saving. Watch this month total and all-time total on the right. They update automatically as you log entries. Every saving you log is included in your totals, and it's reflected in both dashboards automatically. It does it instantly. Every member summary updates too right away. So does the settlement sheet and both dashboards. No manual math ever. Now for the exciting part, open the dashboard. This gives you a full view of your group's overall finances. At the top, choose your start date and end date. This defines the period you want to review. At the top, choose any start date. and any end date. Unlike traditional budget planners, you're not limited to monthly reports. You can review a single week, 2 weeks, 1 month, a quarter, an entire year, or any custom date range you choose. The dashboard updates instantly. At the top, you'll see a complete summary of your finances, opening balance, income, expenses, savings, net balance, and your financial health score. This gives you a quick snapshot of your financial performance. Next, you will see budget vs spending and which categories are over budget. These two charts give you a quick read on your overall budget health. Next table is budget overview. The budget overview compares your spending with your actual allowed budget. You'll also see your remaining budget, your budget status, and overall budget utilization, making it easy to stay on track. Interactive charts. The dashboard includes several interactive charts: budget versus spending, income breakdown, and expense breakdown. These charts help you understand exactly where your money is going. Smart financial insights. One of the most powerful features is the Smart Insights section. Here you'll discover your largest transaction, your highest spending day, your main income source, how many days remain in your selected period, your recommended daily spending, and a personalized financial recommendation based on your actual data. These insights update automatically every time your data changes. Now switch to the member dashboard. It works exactly the same way. At the top, choose your start date and end date. This defines the period you want to review. Watch the member's financial summary update the moment you change those dates. You'll see each person's income, expenses, savings, and closing balance. Next, look at the contribution versus expense share chart. It compares what each person paid against their fair share. Right beside it, the settlement summary tells you who owes who and exactly how much. Scroll down to where did we spend? This table compares your actual spend to your budget, category by category. A green status means you're under budget. A red status means you've gone over and by how much. You can also filter to one person, choose all, or pick a name from the member drop-down. Everything on the page updates instantly to match your choice. Their spending, their balance, their personal budget status. Now let's move to the final step and log your settlement. You've already checked the settlement summary on your dashboard, so now you're ready to settle up. Open the settlement log sheet. Enter the period using the same start date as your dashboard. Choose the payer and the receiver. Enter the amount that was settled, and log the date it was settled on. Once you save this, your dashboard updates automatically. The settlement summary reflects what's already been paid, and the expense tables adjust too for both the payer and the receiver. Your balances stay accurate every time you settle up. Individual check-in. And that's the group budget planner start to finish. Set it up once, then just log your income and expenses as you go. The sheet handles everything else. Budgeting together made simple. Thanks for watching. Grab your copy using the link below. See you in the next video.